The ATF is proposing changes to NFA travel rules, and a lot of gun owners aren't celebrating as fast as you'd think. Right now, traveling across state lines with certain NFA firearms usually means paperwork, submission forms, and waiting for approval beforehand. Under this new proposal, temporary travel could become easier. But here's where people are skeptical. The government would still know who owns these firearms, and long-term relocation would still require notification paperwork. So while some people see this as relief, others are asking a different question. Why does the government still need to track any of it in the first place? And honestly, that's where the real debate starts.